Good afternoon from Epcot. Today we are here because Soarin Across America has soft opened early. Today is only May 23rd. The ride was not supposed to open until the 26th. They decided to open it early. So we're out here to ride Soarin Across America. And then after that, we are going to head over to Hollywood Studios to get on the new Smugglers Run featuring Mandalorian and Grogu. Because they just updated that. If you watched my last vlog about Hollywood Studios updates, I said that was coming. That is officially here. The new movie's out now, but the ride has been updated, so we're gonna head that way and check that out as well. Should be a pretty fun day, but to get started, let's head to the land and let's go soar. Thanks so much for tuning in. Let's go have a good one. Let's go. So I did want to point out I am walking to the land in a weird way. It is still Flower and Garden, so Encanto topiaries are out over here. The other thing I wanted to point out is Communicore Hall is currently closed, getting ready for Cool Kids Summer and Goofy Core, which I don't know if you remember last summer. It's where Goofy plays game with kids, a nice area for parents to sit in the AC, and then Goofy comes out and hangs out with the kids and dances and does like different types of like games like hopscotch and things like that. So definitely a fun time in there in the summer. It's one of the cool things I like. Cool Kids Summer is coming up. But anyway, we're gonna head towards the land, but I did just want to call out that it is still Flower and Garden, and also that I did walk a little bit of a different way to get into the land today. So there you go. Oh, and we have made it over to the land featuring Soarin. No matter what version of Soarin, this sign has never changed. But the marquee sign inside has changed. Let's go look at that. And we have made it inside the land, and there it is, the brand new marquee, Soarin Across America, celebrating the quincentennial anniversary of the United States, which is the 250th, for those who don't know what a quincentennial is. Also, as we're walking over to the stairs on the Garden Grill, I can see Chip and I can see Mickey over there, meeting with some tables. I have to eat here. People have raved about it. Never eaten here. And we have made it down to Soarin Across America. I do like this little bunting graphic. Also, the wall is like an American flag back here. So I like that a lot, but we're gonna go ahead and head in right now. It says a 30-minute wait. It is currently 7:24. We'll see how long that actually takes. Looks like they added some eagles to the queue, as well as that really cool sign. That's an awesome sign to the air concourses. And then it looks like these are all the different posters from where we've been before. Kilimanjaro, Camarillo, Matterhorn, Golden Gate, Taj Mahal, Malibu Beach, Great Wall, Giza Plateau, Lake Tahoe, Redwood Creek, and it says which Soarin they're from. So Soarin around the world or Soarin over California. I like that a lot too. And it keeps going as we move our way on. It looks like they changed the fun fact trivia game to All America Trivia. So that's pretty cool too. So we waited a total of 16 minutes to get to the pre-show. We're gonna be Concourse B, Row 2. Can't wait to see my guy come back on the screen.
My name is Patrick.
That's a joke.
Getting bored in a few minutes.
We'll treat her very nicely.
A handsome young devil who like
Like the whole treat.
When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment.
This includes cell phones, bottles, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Nice work, pal.
Seatbelt, carry-on items, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside your own thighs. Yeah. Have a nice one.
Thanks, Patrick. Fun fact about Patrick, he was a chief flight attendant when he first filmed this intro. He's now been promoted all the way to captain, so good for him. All right, let's go.
So we're in the tower. We are ready for takeoff.
right, Soarin' review time. I enjoyed it. It's good. I like the new scenes. I like the way that we've showcased like definitely different part of the countries. You know, I even wore America Walt Disney World shirt since we do have Memorial Day plus Soarin' Across America was coming. So I wanted to do that. The only thing I don't like, transitions were a little weird. They didn't flow as nice. There were some with like an eagle and stuff that made it nice, but others that didn't really do much at all. So I thought those were kind of weird. And then there's a lot of CGI in this thing, like boats, birds, like a lot of it was CGI'd compared to like the original Soarin' where they actually took a camera and recorded all these areas. I'm worried that a lot of this was just CGI filmed. So different. The smells are about the same. There's, when you over the cows, it smells kind of like the elephant, maybe a little bit deeper. And then Hawaii is straight from Pandora. Like that is the scent you get when you are on Flight of Passage. So scents are still good, music's still amazing, pre-show great. Gotta love Patrick. You know, Soarin' is great. It's a 4-minute experience. It's one of the longest rides here, so you can't beat that. But yeah, pretty good. So I think what we're gonna do now is we're gonna head to Hollywood Studios and let's go review the new Smugglers Run with Mandalorian and Grogu. Let's go head that way. So I do think the quickest way to probably get to Hollywood Studios is make a right, head over towards the Skyliner, and then I'm either gonna take the Skyliner or I'm gonna walk. Not sure yet. So we'll see when we get over close towards the UK what we're gonna do. But let's head to International Gateway. Alrighty, so we are now making our way towards International Gateway by turning right into Canada. We got Kermit and Miss Piggy over here. Shout out them. But we are gonna make our way this way. As you guys can probably tell, it's getting dark out. It's golden hour right here, right now at Magic Kingdom. There's a dog over there. It's golden hour, so it's late. We're gonna do a little time jump in the next clip to get to Hollywood Studios. I actually filmed the Hollywood Studio stuff earlier today and then came to film this stuff, but I wanted to flip the video. So it's a little vlogger behind the scenes stuff, but when we get to Hollywood Studios, all of a sudden it's gonna be bright out. So let's do some time traveling. And just like that, we are back in Disney's Hollywood Studios, and we are going to make our way towards Galaxy's Edge to get on the new Mandalorian Grogu Smugglers Run. So let's head to Galaxy's Edge. It is very busy today. We are making our way towards Galaxy's Edge, past the Monstropolis construction. Doesn't look like too much has changed since we were here the other day. I don't know. What do you guys think? Anything different up there? I know I definitely been able to see from the parking lot some of the foundation things for the roller coaster building, but that's about it. Anyway, into Galaxy's Edge, let's head to Smugglers Run. And we have made it down to Millenium Falcon Smugglers Run. Not too bad over here. This morning for rope drop, this thing was crazy. I kind of learned my lesson from doing that. Saying standby is 45 minutes. We'll see what single rider is. Single rider. Let's see how this works last time. It's 6:05. Last time we just walked straight on. So I'll let you guys know if we walk right on again. This time we made a left. So we'll see how left does. The arrow was working this time. It said to go left. A little bit of a wait this time, but 8 minutes to get up here. Not too bad. And they're definitely, last time I came up from over here, this way, last time I came out that way.
Crew, our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Boaties, engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your tractor beam. Nice work on the tractor beam. Gunners, take out those scouts. Nice shot, gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch touch those buttons. I said, don't touch. Main plan. We catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. Don't lose sight of them. We need to know where they're headed. Left engineer. Launch the home beacons. Doesn't work. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Right engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. Bespin it is. Crew, buckle up. Make the jet to light speed.
Bespin.
They're heading for Cloud City. Stay on his tail. Pilots, you're up. Watch out for that cable. Big Ferric. You're stuck to that ship.
Down, George, down!
Heading towards explosives.
Down!
Company. Fighters incoming. Gunners, take them out. What's that crate? Engineers, grab it with a tractor beam. Let's try not to blow Cloud City.
Engineers! How many crates do we have?
Enough of this. I'm on my way. Grogu, don't get into trouble.
Down, George, down!
Keep steady so I can cut you loose. Bounty in hand. Prepare to leave. Fast. That's not the runway. Head for the clouds and hold on tight. Hit the boosters. Right pilot, jump to light speed. Now! Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Oh, you brought me back crates. Excellent work. Unloading now. Oh, these will fetch many credits for me. And some for you too, of course, I mean.
Grogu and I will hand over the bounty to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.
Oh man, that was tough and longer than the other one. That new mode is so fun. There's so many variations to it. It felt a lot longer. Sorry, I'm going downstairs, so I'm trying not to trip as I talk to you. Highly recommend. Again, like I said when I rode it the last time I was here for the last version, it's so much more re-rideable now. They even told us how to, I guess the mode we were in is a secret Grogu mode where he interacts more than normal. So that's why I kept trying to pan the camera over. But wow, so much better, a lot more fun, huge improvement to what was here before. So another thing that's better than what was before, I would say. And now we are gonna make our way back out of Galaxy's Edge and back to the front of Hollywood Studios, and then probably wrap up from there because this has been a very long day. So I think that's where we're headed. And I think that's gonna do it for today. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you made it all the way to this point, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. I mean, what a day. Starting off at Epcot, doing Soarin Across America, the America shirt on. And then heading over this way to do the brand new Grogu and Mandalorian Smugglers Run, which is fantastic. Gonna have to do it again. Gonna have to do it at least a few more times to do all the different versions. I was a gunner. I'd like to be an engineer to pick where you have to go, and even like the piloting on this one looks way more intense. So yeah, and anyway, again, subscribe to this channel, like the video. See you on the next one.